Okay, gang, I want to talk about the dangers of parking an automatic transmission vehicle on a hill or an incline like this. As you can see here, my mom has been parking like this for 3 years to bring in groceries. And when you park a vehicle that has an automatic transmission on a incline or slant hill like that, it's very bad for the transmission, for the gear and the pawl. And most likely, if you keep doing this, you're going to cause damage, and it's going to cost thousands of dollars to either replace the transmission or repair it. When you park on a hill, even if you have the emergency brake on, it's putting pressure on the transmission, and it's something that a lot of people don't know, and it'll cost, like I said, thousands of dollars to replace. And so right now, when my mom's driving it, we've noticed that it will barely go into second gear now. It'll barely go into third gear. When it gets to fourth, it's fine, but it's over time, her parking like this has weakened it. So like I said, you always want to park it like on a level area as best as possible and keep it off of a hill or an incline area. All right, thank you for watching.